Hey guys, so first thing, welcome Australian Muslims. Discover Melbourne with us. Okay. I'm just here. So this says connect Muslims with Melbourne. I'm not sure if this is grammatically correct. So connecting Muslims to Melbourne or something else probably. I'm not sure why this is a button because you've got a home button here, so I think that's enough. Okay. Find your home, find Moss, find cool. So looking at your landing page, I know what you're about, what you're doing, so that's good. About these images, I hope they are copyright protected, as copyright free, sorry, because I don't know where they're coming from. So please make sure they're copyright free. Things we can help you with. Suburb, Moss education, halal food, volunteer work, events. Melbourne Muslim community. Cool. Join this. So instead of learn more, it'll be great if you can change these buttons to join one of the communities or find out how to join these communities, visit Islamic Museum, something like that. So learn more is very generic. Find more again everywhere. So just find a suburb suitable for you, find a mosque close to your suburb, find out which school is best for you. So it'll be great if you can change the find more. Right. So find your new home. Find a suburb. Find suburb suitable about the map. Tips to use the map. Search box. So the best user experience would be if I don't need to read a lot. That'll be great. Your application needs to be intuitive. Hopefully if I hover over it, it tells me everything and I don't need to read this too much. Because no user is going to go through how you want to use your application. Number of schools. What's happening? Okay, so this is highlighted. I'm not sure why the other dot points are still there, because I would assume if I just select distance, then it just shows me the area near the CBD. Okay. I'm not quite sure why the refresh button is here. And what is it for? Maybe it's a reset button? Ooh. So it doesn't do much, it just reloads the page, so probably don't keep it here. Find a suburb suitable to me. Buy a house, rent. What are you looking for? 2 bedrooms. Minimum price. I think you just asked me that, no? 200 to 700, so it's a little repetitive. 1000 to 1500. Yes. So the spelling of mosque is incorrect. Please fix it. If there could be some spaces between this part, So 4 bedrooms is immediately after, is immediately before please select the rental. So if there's a little space, it'll just look neater. All right, let's search. Oops, nothing here. Let's do 40. Okay, recommendations are ranked first, showing safest suburb first. So is this first? So is this second or Bandura is second? So I'm not sure. So maybe you can list it out, either a list, or you can tell me which one you think is first, because it might get a little confusing. Crime rank 33. Okay, so just one thing is, I'm not sure which one is first, or rather second, among these two. So what all do I get? So I get this. I get sunshine. For some reason, I can zoom in but can't zoom out. Not sure why. No, I can't zoom out. Okay. So I got the suburb that I'm looking for. Noble Park, distance from CBD, crime rank, number of mosques, number of halal restaurants, more details. Oh, suburb name. Okay. All right. Halal food. Find halal restaurants. Read more. So again, just instead of read more, if you can do find halal restaurants near you, or find halal restaurants. Name this location. Good, you've got clustering here. That's good to see. Directions. Okay, so it takes me to Google Map page, but if you could just give me a notification that we might be exiting your website, and also always make sure that whenever a new page opens that is away from your website or leaves your website, it's in a new tab, so that your website is not, it does not disappear. Okay. Halal ingredient. In Australia, you can track halal status of each package using e-numbers. What are e-numbers? Complete list. Emulsifier codes. Okay. What is all this? I'm not sure what you guys are recommending here. Documents similar probably don't have this, since some of them are probably not related. International tune, and this is in some other language. So just think about what your users are seeing. Okay, e-numbers. Education, general education, you will find primary based on a budget. Religion education, religious education communicates to know about Islamic religion. There are weekend schools. Please follow. Oh, so there's an error. So you need to fix that. I don't know what's going on here. General education, primary, secondary, language, special. Okay, let's go to primary. Educated less than 6 years old and ready for school. Type the suburb name. So I can type, but I can't type, can I? I can select. Okay. So I think this is not typing. This is again selecting. So you can change that to select the suburb you're looking for. Ascot. Well, cool. Events. Religious events. Are you new in town, wondering what to do, and do you want to meet people in a community, make friends? Then attending public events are the best way to do it. Follow the link. Okay. Cool. Van Bride. Okay. That's alright. Living with autism. So I'm not sure what these events are for. Are these any events? Understanding Islam. But if I go, okay, so if I click here, then all right. School activities. School activities, English level speaking, 4th year, psychology. So when you say school, what does that mean? Is that any level of school? Um, so I'm not sure on what basis these are filtered by, because there are a lot of different kind of events which are probably not related. Right. Volunteer work. Melbourne write-up. Okay. Moss. There are many mosques in Melbourne scattered around the city. Okay. Special Islamic days. Powered by this. Cool.